The restaurant industry is evolving rapidly. Robots are transforming the way businesses operate, especially in the kitchen and service areas. But there's a catch. While automation promises great benefits, not all robots are created equal. Many are simply too expensive for most businesses to adopt. First, let's talk about the current state of robotics in restaurants. We're seeing robots like Flippy, which can cook burgers and fry food with precision, and Servy, a robot delivering food right to the customer's table. These aren't science fiction. They're here, and they're already reducing the need for human labor in many essential roles. But this is just the beginning. Over the next decade, robots will handle a staggering 90% of the tasks currently done by human workers. So, why is this happening? Human labor in restaurants is becoming unsustainable. Long hours, labor shortages, and the pressure to deliver faster and better are causing stress across the industry. Enter robotics, engineered to operate reliably and efficiently, around the clock. Robots don't get tired. They don't need breaks, and they can work in high-pressure environments without compromising quality. This is a win-win for restaurants looking to streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve the overall experience for both customers and staff. But here's the real kicker. China is leading the way in restaurant robotics innovation. They're already investing heavily in robotic kitchens and automated service, and the technology is spreading fast.
We had no idea if this was going to work, how our customers would respond. We just had to get out there and do it.
In China, restaurants are not just adopting robots. They're revolutionizing how food is prepared, delivered, and served. From automated pizza makers to robotic noodle stations, they're creating a new blueprint for the restaurant of the future. The rest of the world is lagging behind, but that's where the opportunity lies for early adopters. If you're ahead of the curve, you can leverage this shift to dominate the market as a leader in automation. So, what does this mean for restaurant owners? Well, the benefits are clear. 1. Cost reduction. Say goodbye to labor shortages and high wages. Robots handle the tasks that cost you the most in human labor. 2. Increased efficiency. Robots work around the clock, improving speed, precision, and consistency. 3. Future-proofing your business. With automation on the rise, adapting now means staying relevant as the industry shifts toward full automation. Just like the computer industry in the late 90s, the early movers in robotics are going to reap the biggest rewards. The companies that adopt this technology now will dominate the market, just like how early tech adopters like Bill Gates and Steve Jobs changed the world. If you're a restaurant owner and you're still hesitant, think about this. Robotics is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. So, how do you prepare for this change? The first step is to start small. Integrate robotic tools into your operations one at a time. Start with delivery robots or automated cooking assistants. The second step is to partner with robotics providers that offer scalable solutions. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll reap the rewards of a more efficient, cost-effective operation. OpenDroids is here to help. Affordable, tailored robotics that fit your restaurant's needs without the hefty price tag.